Haymakers and DIY pros. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 game-changing woodworking tools between $50 and $70 that you'll wish you had sooner. Affordable, powerful, and guaranteed to make your projects smoother. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Let's start with the Bosch 15-piece carbide-tipped router bit set. This kit gives you a wide range of profiles, perfect for shaping edges, cutting grooves, and finishing details. Each bit is tipped with micrograin carbide, which means smoother cuts and better wear resistance, even when working with hardwoods or composites. The set also has an anti-friction coating that helps reduce residue buildup, so the bits stay cleaner and perform consistently over time. And when it comes to storage, Bosch includes a sturdy plastic case. It keeps all 15 bits organized and easy to carry between projects. Overall, this is a versatile set designed for durability and precision, making it a reliable choice for everyday woodworking tasks. Number 2. Next up, we've got the Weber Bench Vise. This vise is built tough, forged from ductile iron rated at 60,000 psi, with a powder-coated finish that helps resist rust. The jaws are 6 inches wide, with a maximum opening of nearly 6 inches, giving you plenty of room to secure larger workpieces. It delivers serious clamping force, up to 4,500 pounds, and the replaceable serrated jaw plates are made from carbon steel for a strong, reliable grip. There's also a large anvil area on the back, handy for light hammering or shaping tasks. The base rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can lock it into whatever position works best without constantly repositioning your project. And with its multi-jaw design, it can hold both flat stock and pipes, making it versatile for drilling, grinding, cutting, or sharpening. A solid, all-around workbench companion. Number 3. Now, let's look at the Metabo HVT pin nailer. This lightweight tool, just 2 pounds, is designed for precision work where you don't want visible nail holes. It uses 23-gauge headless pins and automatically adjusts for lengths ranging from 5/8 of an inch up to 1 3/8. It's ideal for cabinets, paneling, small moldings, glazing bead, craft projects, and even picture frames. The depth adjustment feature lets you drive pins flush into different surfaces, giving you a clean finish every time. For safety and accuracy, it comes with a dual trigger system, so you can place fasteners exactly where you need them. And the rear exhaust directs oil and debris away from your work surface, keeping things neat while you work. Compact, accurate, and easy to handle, this pin nailer is a go-to for fine woodworking and trim projects. Up next is the Eleclif Laser Tape Measure 2-in-1. This tool combines a 197-foot laser distance meter with a 16-foot auto-locking digital tape measure. That means you can handle everything from wide area scans to precise corner checks with just one device. Accuracy is impressive, within 1/16 of an inch, and it even calculates area and volume automatically. That's perfect when you're figuring out flooring, paint, or material needs without wasting supplies. For tricky measurements like roof heights or diagonal spans, the Pythagorean mode lets you measure safely from the ground, no ladder required. Battery life is strong too, supporting up to 5,000 measurements on a single charge. And with a USB-C port, you can recharge from a car or power bank while on the job. Durability is built in. A rust-proof nylon-coated blade and shock-resistant ABS housing protect it from dust, knocks, and scratches. A reliable tool for both construction sites and workshops. Next on the list is the DeWalt electric sander. This quarter-sheet sander runs at 14,000 orbits per minute, powered by a 2.3 amp motor. That speed gives you consistent, smooth sanding across a variety of surfaces. The design is user-friendly too. A rubber over-mold texture provides comfortable control, even during longer sessions. The improved paper clamp system keeps your sandpaper secure, so you don't have to stop and adjust mid-project. Dust management is built in. The locking dust port system lets you connect a vacuum hose directly to the sander, keeping your workspace cleaner. It's also designed with reduced overall height, bringing you closer to your work for better precision. And with a separate counterweight, vibration is minimized, making it easier on your hands. Finally, the switch is protected by a rubber dust boot, helping extend its life by keeping debris out. A compact, reliable tool for everyday sanding tasks. Coming in at number 6, the Customizer Engraving Pen. This tool is all about creativity. It works on more than 50 different surfaces, from wood and metal to glass, plastic, and even ceramics. That means you can personalize projects, add designs, or create detailed artwork across a wide range of materials. The pen is lightweight and ergonomic, with a 3-speed motor that gives you control whether you're just starting out or already experienced with engraving. Intricate details come naturally when you've got precision at your fingertips. It's cordless too, with up to 2 hours of battery life and fast USB-C charging. That makes it easy to take anywhere, whether you're working in your shop or on the go. Durable, versatile, and designed for creative freedom, this engraving pen is a handy way to bring unique ideas to life in your projects. Number 7 on our list is the Bora 100-inch NGX clamp edge. This straight cut guide is designed to help you make accurate rip cuts with your circular saw. It's especially useful when working with large sheet materials or long boards, giving you track saw precision without the extra setup. The kit includes a 50-inch clamp edge plus a 50-inch extension, giving you a full 100 inches of cutting length. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, the guide is rigid and durable, so your cuts stay straight and consistent. A quick lock lever makes clamping fast and secure, while the ergonomic handle ensures a tight grip every time. The built-in T-track adds extra functionality, letting you customize your workbench or workspace. And with one-sided adjustability, you can set, clamp, and cut from the same side. No need to reposition your material. A reliable guide for anyone who wants cleaner, straighter cuts. Number 8 is the Really Erodes 20-volt cordless wet/dry shop vac. This vacuum is designed to work with the popular DeWalt 20-volt max battery system, so if you already use DeWalt tools, you can power it with the same batteries. With a 5 amp-hour battery, you'll get up to 30 minutes of runtime. It delivers strong cleaning performance, with airflow rated at 45 cubic feet per minute and suction power of 12.1 kilopascals. The 2.6-gallon dust collector means fewer trips to empty the tank, saving time during cleanup. The accessory kit includes a soft hose, connectors, a multi-purpose nozzle, crevice tools, and even a sofa brush, giving you flexibility for different cleaning tasks. The hose is over 6.5 feet long, making it easy to reach tight corners. There's also a blowing function, useful for clearing dust from hidden spots. Lightweight, portable, and equipped with a washable filter, this vac is built for both workshop and home use. Number 9 is the Worksaw 4.5-inch compact circular saw. This saw is designed for one-hand operation. Its slim, lightweight form makes it easy to maneuver, so you can grab it with one hand and get to work right away. It has a cutting capacity of up to 2 inches, which means it handles stock lumber with ease. Perfect for quick rip cuts around the house, but strong enough for heavier woodworking projects too. Depth adjustments are simple. Just press the lever and raise or lower the handle to the exact depth you need. And for angled cuts, it supports bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees, giving you flexibility for both functional and decorative pieces. Changing blades is straightforward with the spindle lock and hex key system. Plus, the built-in dust port lets you connect a vacuum, keeping your workspace cleaner and your cuts easier to see. Compact, versatile, and efficient, a handy saw for DIY projects and workshop tasks. Number 10 is the Jella's 3x21-inch belt sander. This sander runs on a 7-amp motor and features a variable speed control with 6 settings, ranging from 120 to 400 revolutions per minute. That lets you match the speed to the material and the job at hand. It's versatile too. With the included metal clamps, you can flip it over and fix it to a table, turning it into a bench sander. The lock-on button helps reduce fatigue, keeping your hands free during longer sanding sessions. The kit comes with 10 sanding belts in different grits, from coarse 40 grit to fine 180 grit, so you're ready for a variety of projects right out of the box. Dust collection is handled by a detachable bag, which is easier to clean than a dust box. It even has exhaust holes to keep dust from re-entering the motor, helping extend the tool's life. A practical setup for woodworking tasks big and small. Number 11 is the Bora Centipede Workbench Tabletop. This portable tabletop is designed to work with any centipede stand, giving you a sturdy, reliable surface wherever you set up. Measuring 24 by 48 inches, it can support up to 2,000 pounds, making it strong enough for heavy projects. The surface features evenly spaced 20mm dog holes, laid out in a 96mm grid. That means it's compatible with a wide range of dog hole accessories, giving you flexibility for clamping and positioning workpieces. Transport is simple too. The tabletop is hinged in the center, so it folds for easy storage. A built-in carrying slot lets you hold it in one hand, leaving the other free to manage tools or materials. Whether you're moving between job sites or setting up in your garage, this tabletop makes creating a stable workstation quick and convenient. And finally, number 12, the Jorgensen No. 4 10-inch wood planer. This hand planer is built for precision smoothing and trimming. The blade is made from professional-grade 01 tool steel, finely sharpened to improve cutting efficiency while reducing wear. It can be resharpened and adjusted, giving it a long service life. The body is crafted from ductile iron, drop-tested for durability, while the lever cap is aluminum alloy. Together, these materials make the planer rugged yet comfortable to use. Cutting depth is adjustable with a simple knob, so you can set the blade length to match the task, whether you're trimming, polishing, deburring, or removing larger amounts of wood. The beechwood handle is smooth, burr-free, and shaped for comfort, while the flat, polished bottom ensures steady, consistent operation. A classic tool that brings craftsmanship and control to woodworking projects.